girl. She seems very smart. She's very quiet. Good girl. There we go. Good girl. Oh. God, very flexible girl. You can see there, she's resisting me letting me bring her leg out. Oh. I got her tied up, so I don't want her to pull back too far. Come on. Oh, good girl. Oh. A lot of times when they pull back like this too, when they're pulling back with the leg, you'll get some good releases in the shoulder just with them doing the pull. Now she's letting me have it. Good girl. It's always a bit of a dance between what I want them to do and what they're willing to do. She's been really, really good. Good girl.